Hey everyone, my name is Amanda. Welcome to my art channel. Here's where you're gonna find sort of my journey of exploring through acrylic pouring. I might post other videos of different art pieces that I do that aren't related to acrylic paint. As of right now, that's kind of what my focus has been. So definitely take a look on my Facebook art page, my Instagram, and my YouTube. That's where I'm gonna be most active. I mean, right now I'm mostly active on Instagram, but I do want to make this channel grow over time, and I just kind of want this to be a community of other artists to come together and share like the techniques that they've been doing, and just sort of make this like little art friendship circle, because that'd be really cool. Just to give some context to who I am, so again, my name is Amanda. I went to college for art education, and I kind of chickened out and switched to a psychology degree, but I had my art minor and an East Asian studies minor. And don't get me wrong, I really loved psychology and like doing research, and it's been about 2 years now. Yeah, a little over 2 years that I've graduated from school, and I really missed art. I started acrylic pouring in this past January, and it just sucked me in. And it's just really beautiful, all the different works I've seen on Instagram and all of that. Actually, I have some paintings I will show right now. So we have this one here that is super, super gorgeous. I think the colors anyway. Like, I'm not sure how well this camera's gonna autofocus. There we go. Yeah, like, super cool. This is probably one of my most proud pieces. So here's a piece with all of the layers and stripes. You can see all the cells, and I decided I want to draw, or I wanted to paint my hand, and on my wrist it says "You are worthy of love." And I can maybe in the future go and do some like deep dives on like the meanings of certain paintings for me. No, I don't have that as a tattoo, but maybe I should. So I've been falling in love with these paintings and seeing what people are doing all over social media with their stuff. So I wanted to share too. But anyway, this is me talking a lot. I just want to say welcome, introduce myself so that you see my face and what I'm doing. And I'm gonna have all of my links to my social media down in the description box. I also have an Etsy shop as well, so if you want to support me in that way, then feel free to take a look at that. And also drop your own Etsy shop links, or you know, whatever you guys may have, because I definitely want to give you guys a follow as well. All right, so thank you for seeing this awkward outro. All right, bye guys.